check how many Bugattis there is here. Experience. Just think, at least 1.5, £2 million, and they're just. This is absolutely badass. Pagani, absolutely incredible. Went to their factory tour, that's brilliant. Conan's egg. To be fair, how rare is it to see a Bugatti? Probably got like 10 in a row. Bonkers. That's it. So what engine is a Bugatti running?
So it's a W16, isn't it?
You're telling me like I know what I'm on about. I like the look of cars.
Quad turbos. It's basically 4 Golf R engines bolted together.
There we go. Do you know what? That's a good way of putting it. Yeah, four Golf R engines. Yeah, and look at the pure sexiness. So, what's the price of an average?
I think they're actually on the upwards at the moment, aren't they? So they started at about £1 million when Bugatti was taking a loss on the ticket on the retail price, and then I think they're appreciating now. I don't know, maybe 1.2, 1.2.
Yeah.
So good investment if you're looking for one.
Are they quick?
I think like VMAX times are very quick, but today's standards now, you can build a BMW that can accelerate to like
same, right? All right, so there you go. So
similar.
Just think you might be able to spend £100 grand on a BMW and get something as quick as a Bugatti. You thought of that, have you?
You heard it here.
There you go. Well, this is the master of all things engines and exhausts, so there you go. There's the lad, he's there. Are they stopping
doing a restoration on it.
Oh really? Wow.
Yeah, it's having a colour change.
So you thought you'd just chop everything then off?
Well, I mean, all that's really off of it is the body panels.
Right.
Other than that, it's running and driving. So we drove it in.
What? You drove it here?
Not all the way here.
Oh my
we
God.
trailered it in and then drove it in here. Got it up on some jacks.
So you guys just do restorations?
We do servicing, sales, restorations, bit of everything.
Wow. Is this client here a regular?
This is one of our cars.
Oh right, and then ready to sell once you've done your colour change. What are you going from and to then? Was it black?
Originally it's black, blue, blue.
Right.
Because they're all pretty much all two-tone.
Yeah.
And we're going to a single solid colour of a grey.
Like this like sharky sort of grey, like the in-your-face grey, not
yeah, not like an Audi grey.
No, I know what you mean.
Like
Yeah. And how much is the restoration and colour change costing?
I don't know.
I'd love to know what that is. A car like that to actually change the colour of it.
I mean, it's I imagine same price as any car. It's no different painting this to painting a Ford Fiesta. It just depends how much you want to, how much time you want to spend, how much effort you want to make.
Are you doing interior change colour as well?
We're not changing the colour, but it is going to get retrim.
Yeah.
It's a bit.
How old is this?
Old and tight. It's coming up on 20 years. Yeah.
With the carbon ceramic brakes, all that stuff.
Yeah.
How long have you guys had the car then?
Not too long.
I think this was a Salon Privé last year, I'm sure it was.
Last year.
Someone did exactly the same
we
at
did.
Salon Privé.
We had half of this stripped.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So it was a half and half.
God, you've had it a while then, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you just pile all your money into it and be like, let's just have this just in case the world goes to shit. We've got a gold brick.
So yeah, I mean, hopefully in the next couple of months it'll be back together, finished up and
sold.
back on the road.
Yeah, hopefully.